Hello everyone, as promised by me that I'll share my diet which I'm following to lose weight. So it's already 9 and I'm going to have zero water with after 5 minutes I will be having that isocol, or you can do alternatively like means firstly you can take isocol, afterwards you can take zero water. So let's do it. This is my zero water boiling and that's isocol ready to eat. So I'm going to have this, and after 2 to 3 minutes I will take zero water. So yeah. So now we are making oats vegetable upma. For that I am roasting the oats. You have to roast it till they are crispy, and you'll feel the smell or aroma of it while roasting it already. After adding cumin seeds and after seeds, I added cashew nuts and sauteed for a while. Then I added chopped onions and cooking it till golden brown. Then I'm going to add green chilies. Now we're going to add veggies in it. You can add ginger as well in this. I'm not adding it. Carrot and chilies. So now I have like green peas in it. Stirring it. Now we'll add water. I'm going to add water in it. And now I'm going to cover it. You have to cover it for a good 10 minutes so that the veggies may soften a bit. Then we'll add the roasted oats. So veggies are almost done. Now we'll add oats, roasted oats. And now I'm going to add a bit of turmeric. A little bit of salt. And we're done. I'm going to cover it again for 7 to 8 minutes, and then it will be ready to serve, and we'll garnish it with coriander. So my veggie oats vegetable upma is ready to eat. I'm going to have a breakfast and then 1 glass of water after that. And this is I'm going to have. It's 12 o'clock and now I'm taking nuts. So today in my combo it's 4 almonds and 1 apple. So for now so we are ready to make our dal with mixed greens, and I have already boiled the green gram dal, what you call it, moong chilka wali dal. So I'm ready to make it. This is going to boil. I have not added anything in this. So here we are ready to fry it. So this is brown oil. So I'm going to add the cheese. Once the cheese crackles, add green chilies, let it splatter, and then we have these green veggies which I have already boiled. This is green peas and then French beans, carrot. So we'll add this. Also cabbage is also there, so I have not boiled that, so I'll add directly to it. As you can see, I have already added cabbage, and I have roughly chopped it, so it's not finely chopped, it's roughly chopped. Let it get tender. Or not tender, it's sauteed for a minute. Then we'll add these veggies, boiled veggies. So 3 to 4 minutes are completed, and the raw smell has already gone through. It was boiled, so now we'll add it. So my plate is ready. I have one, it's not a full bowl. I have already eaten some of the carrots, and 2 chapatis are there, and this mixed green dal. I have to prepare 1 green sabzi also, but I'm not well today, so I have not prepared it. It can be any green, means beans sabzi or cabbage or what else is there? You can prepare brinjal, means 1 dal and 1 sabzi is must. So dal I have to take full katori, means 1 katori, and sabzi I have to take 0.5 katori, means half of this. Yeah, 1 bowl of salad before taking a meal. And remember, so it's 4:30 now, and I'm making green tea. It's without honey. It's just I have boiled the water and it green tea back. Nothing I have added in it. So my dosa batter is already ready. I have mixed it with wheat flour and give it a tadka with the mustard seeds, pura dal, red chilies, and curry leaves. So my dosa and moong dal with coconut chutney is ready. Though my dosa is not perfect.